I bet you're a bit like me and you love your vehicle. You've put 30, 50,000, or maybe even more into purchasing the vehicle. But now you started to notice things. The interior it feels different. The leather doesn't feel the same. It doesn't have that look or feel that it used to on the inside. Maybe you've got brake dust that's so built up on the wheels that it's almost permanent and it's not coming off anymore. If you're like most vehicle owners, you get your vehicle detailed once or twice a year, or you do the quick drive-through car wash, or you go get the DIY products you find at the stores, or maybe have that mobile guy that stops by your office. But somehow after a few weeks, everything just starts to look dull again. And it's not your fault. Most of these solutions are very temporary. Detailing your vehicle once or twice a year leaves plenty of time for dirt and grime to build up on the interior and exterior of your vehicle. The DIY products that you find at the stores are never what they claim, and that mobile guy just might not have the capability to really bring the best out in your vehicle. If you want your vehicle to retain that appearance and feel it had when it was new, these options are always going to fall short when what you really need is proper ongoing maintenance. With over 10 years in the industry, I've learned that most people think detailing is about making things look good. But professional level vehicle care is actually about preservation. We're creating protective barriers that help prevent issues from getting out of hand. When you detail monthly, combining that with ceramic coatings, you're not just cleaning, you're getting your vehicle to a level that you can be proud of, and you're keeping it at that level. That's why we offer our CPM program. It's not just more cleaning, it's a service that protects and keeps the value of your vehicle, your family's health, and the pride of ownership intact. From ceramic coatings on the exterior to the steam cleaning and shampooing on the interior whenever it needs it. These are the same things I do on my own personal vehicles to keep them looking brand new. Our CPM program can be completely tailored to your needs, whether it's once a month, every other week, or every week. Need an extra wash in between? Want to change up that ceramic coating on the exterior and get something different? We can do all that. When you get in your vehicle every day and it still looks and feels and smells fresh and brand new, or when your friends are constantly complimenting you on the look of your vehicle, you know you're on the right track. Vehicles don't stay looking and feeling brand new by accident. It's all about proper ongoing care, regular monthly detailing supported by ceramic coatings. When you choose this approach, you're not just maintaining, you're ensuring your vehicle retains that like-new look and feel for years. If you're ready to experience our preservation philosophy or want to find out more, visit the website linked below. I'm Dan, I'm the owner of Precision Auto Aesthetics. I'll talk to you soon.